Hey guys, Eric here. Today I want to talk about how you can capitalize on your business and essentially create a side hustle that will create more streams of income for what you do. In case you're wondering what this really involves, it's really not a lot of work on your part. It's really just getting the message out there. So think of it like a referral basis. If somebody said, "Do you know a good dentist?" and I'd say, "Well, I know this guy down the street," you're referring them to somebody, but you're not getting paid, right? But in this sense here, you could get paid. So let's just say, for instance, you use this site Fiverr here, which is one of the largest online freelance platforms. It's used for all kinds of different types of businesses. You can see here graphic design, digital marketing, writing, video, and animation. So there's a good chance that there's somebody on this website that you could refer to someone for work and essentially create a side income. Let's show that to you in a real world example. This is one of my websites. It's called everythingtheshores.com, and it's pretty much everything related to St. Clair Shores. If you go to the business section, you're going to see different businesses that I'm promoting. Now, I'm doing this, but this is something that you can do as a business owner. So let's just say, for instance, you go to the photography part on the local business directory, and you're like, oh, this looks like a nice company here. I'll definitely ask some questions. I'm interested in possibly using them for something. It's transparent. You know that this person does photography. In fact, for more information, here's the website there. Okay, so when you go to the website, you're going to get a lot of information about what they actually do. There's portfolio, there's the about section, home. Now you could add another tab and you could do something related to the business that doesn't infringe on your business. So what does that actually mean? If I'm involved in wedding photography, there's a pretty good chance that even though I don't do this type of business, which is more of a slideshow, and maybe they do, but if you don't do videography and slideshows and things of that sort, this could be an extra gig that you could possibly create a side hustle off of from someone else who is actually doing it. You'd have to sign up on the Fiverr affiliate program, and once you sign up on it, any referral base that you make from Fiverr, you can make a commission off of if somebody is using them for the first time. So while in marketing tools, you go to the default and deep links, you copy the link, and then you go here to the LP URL, you paste it, press enter, you grab the short link here. So if I were to go ahead and paste that, it'll take me directly there. So there could essentially be a tab on here that talks about maybe preserving your memories, whatever you decide it to be, and it could be a link directly to the actual offer, or it can actually be a blog or an article based on the offer and then link them there to the actual slideshow. That is a way to work smart and have it actually work for you as an affiliate, because again, as an affiliate, you don't actually own whatever that is. You're referring somebody somewhere to something. It could be a digital product, it could be a physical product, but that's how you could essentially create another stream of income based on what you're already making. Now, on my website, I could essentially go and scroll all the way down and say, hey, create an amazing slideshow for your special occasion. It still is relatable to the photography or the person that's doing the photography. It doesn't infringe on their business. Again, this gives people an option if they want to get involved with something that's relatable. Oh, I love photography. Yeah, we definitely want to create a slideshow, that type of thing. So what I did here, and it's better if you do this on your own and you have like a nice picture or something, but this is just an example. You can go ahead, we'll grab that link again, and we'll put it inside the button. We'll save that. I'm going to open it in an incognito window. So now when I go to the photography part of the business directory in my website, we can look at it. We can keep scrolling. Oh, create an amazing slideshow for your special occasion. Click here. As soon as I click on it, I'm redirected. Now again, if this person is using Fiverr for the first time, you will get credit for it. And you can see here that they have to log in. So Fiverr knows they'll have to log in as a new user. This just gives you a better idea of how this actually works. This is a great way to create, again, another income, another stream of revenue for your business. Hopefully that helps you out. If you have any questions, I'm here. See you soon.